captain has left the seatbelt sign on. For your continued safety, please ensure that your seatbelts are fastened. Refrain from moving about the cabin or using the washrooms at this time. If that seatbelt sign should be turned off during flight, we do strongly recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. Also, if you intend to sleep this flight, please keep your seatbelt fastened and visible so we do not need to disturb you throughout the flight. Just a friendly reminder that smoking is not permitted on any WestJet flights. If you are caught smoking, you'll be asked to leave the aircraft immediately. There are 3 washrooms on board. One is at the front and 2 are at the back. At this time, you should be able to access WestJet Connect, which has a variety of shows and movies that you can watch. You can access this through the WestJet app, and you'll also be able to purchase internet Wi-Fi. All onboard purchases must be made with a major credit card or your WestJet RBC MasterCard. If you'd like more information about the WestJet RBC MasterCard, the rewards program, there is a pamphlet located in your seat pocket.